Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It borders Tibet in the north, Bhutan in the east, Nepal in the west, and West Bengal in the south. Being the second smallest state in India, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climate, as well as the host to Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on earth. Sikkim's capital and largest city is Gangtok. Pakyong Airport is the airport which is very near to Gangtok, but due to severe weather condition and poor visibility, most airlines do not operate any scheduled flights there. The preferred and nearest airport is Bagdogra Airport in West Bengal, which is about 124 kilometers from Gangtok, and it takes about 5 hours by buses or cabs. Before 1975, Sikkim was an independent country ruled by the Chogyal rulers, where democratic rights were limited. It was monarchy rule and anti-royalist riots took place frequently. In 1975, the Prime Minister of Sikkim appealed to Indian Parliament to change the status of Sikkim so that it could become the state of India. In the month of April, Indian Army took over the city of Gangtok and disarmed Chogyal's palace guards. Thereafter, a referendum was held in which 97.5% of voters supported abolition of monarchy. On 16th May 1975, Sikkim officially became the 22nd state of India. Sikkim is the only state in India where a large portion of general population have their origins from other nation. Yes, that is Nepal. Nepali language is widely spoken there. Sikkim's native languages, Lepcha, Bhutia and Limbu are also spoken especially in rural areas or amongst traditional families. Tibetan, Hindi, Bengali and English are also widely spoken languages. Sikkim is also India's least populated state and people are very humble, friendly, welcoming. These two gentlemen, Danny Dengjungpa, the popular Bollywood actor, and Baichung Bhutia, the popular football player, both are from Sikkim. Sikkim boasts of over 552 different species of birds and about 690 species of butterflies. The unique breeded vulture with its 10 feet wingspan can be found in Sikkim. Other species of birds like Himalayan griffon and Impeyan pheasant are delights of bird lovers. The state bird of Sikkim is the blood pheasant. Another cutest animal there is the red panda, and you don't have to travel to China to see this, as it is the state animal of Sikkim. Sikkim is a place with delicious dishes. Some of the famous dishes of Sikkim are momos, steamed dumpling filled with vegetable or meat; thukpa, noodle soup; gundruk, fermented leafy green vegetable; dal bhat, steamed rice and cooked lentil soup called dal; shah fale, bread stuffed with seasoned red meat and cabbage; and one of their signature drinks called chang. Chang is a fermented cereal-based mild alcoholic beverage. It is the most famous drink of Sikkim and is consumed during social activities. The most interesting part of this drink is the way it's been served. It is served in a long cylindrical vessel made of bamboo, which is known as tongba. To some extent, it is like beer, and when consumed in its most potent form, it gives a mild kick to its drinker. Sikkim has many hot springs treated as natural spa known for their therapeutic value. High in sulfur content, the waters are believed to have great medicinal properties, with the average temperature of the water in these hot springs close to 50 degrees Celsius. Some of the most famous natural hot springs are Yumthang Hot Spring, Yume Samdong Hot Spring, Reshi Hot Spring, and Ralong Hot Spring. To experience the maximum therapeutic benefit, take a sulfur bath in these hot springs in the months of February and March. There are many temples which have been dedicated to various gods and goddesses, but rarely any temple erected in honor of a human being. This honor has been preferred upon the Indian Army soldier Major Baba Harbhajan Singh, who is hailed as a hero of Nathula. According to legend, Baba Harbhajan Singh drowned in a glacier while leading a column of mules carrying supplies to a remote outpost. His remains were found after a 3 days of search mission. His body was subsequently cremated with full military honors. The legend further claims that the late Baba Harbhajan Singh helped the search party to find his body. It is believed that his spirit protects all the soldiers who served their country while serving at the inhospitable high altitude terrain of eastern Himalayas. In 2016, Kanchenjunga National Park was inscribed as India's first mixed World Heritage Site on UNESCO World Heritage List. Almost 35% of the state is covered by the Kanchenjunga National Park, and it is considered one of the widest ranges of any wildlife protected area worldwide. This high altitude national park is in Yuksom, and it is known for its spectacular wildlife where exotic animal species such as red panda, snow leopard, great Tibetan sheep, varal, musk deer can be spotted. By converting around 75,000 hectares of agricultural land into sustainable cultivation, Sikkim has become India's first fully organic state in India. All of its farmland is certified as organic. The policy implemented a phase-out process of chemical fertilizer and pesticides and achieved a total ban on sale and use of any chemical pesticides in the state. This transition has benefited more than 66,000 farming families. It also helped to improve nutrition value of any food, reduce pollution, land quality, and sustain ecological environment. Recently, Sikkim finds an unique alternative to plastic water bottles and planning to introduce bamboo water bottles for tourists very soon. Sikkim also banned on use and sale of disposable items such as cups, plates, spoons, containers, and similar items made from polystyrene foam. Our world will be much better place for our next generations if all of us take the footstep of Sikkim. Beside agriculture, Sikkim is a great place for travel and tourism, and there are so many beautiful places to explore. I will surely come up with a separate video on that. Our world is amazing, and I will continue to explore and share with you. Thank you.